MTT3 is all about the major keys of A major, B flat major and E flat major. Now last year we looked at different keys, different major keys. We looked at C major, G major and D major, okay? But now we've got some extra ones, A major, B flat and E flat. And to help you with this, you need to remember your mnemonics, okay? And that's why I've put these as a little cheat sheet for you just before. So you've got treble clef and you've got bass clef here. So refer back to those if you need them. So copy, it says here, copy the key signatures. So that's pretty simple. In A major, so you're going to write A major and you copy the key signature. So the key signature of A major has 3 sharps in it. That means we've got F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. So you need to make sure they're in the right place. So F sharp is the top line. So it's a little hash on the top line. And then we've got a C sharp, so that's on the F A C, that's on that space. And then we've got a G sharp on the top space. Okay, so you do the same thing down here. F, great big dogs fight, that's there. F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. Okay, so that's that, and you copy that out. It's good practice. And then E flat major has 3 flats. So we're going to write E flat major and then 3 flats. 1 flat is a B flat and then the next is an E flat and then A flat. So make sure they're in the right place. That's middle line, top space, second space. And then the same down here, but it's bass clef, so the B is on the second line. B flat, E flat and A flat, like that. Okay, you copy that 3 more times. Name the keys shown by the key signatures, then write the tonic triads. Name the keys shown by the key signatures. So they've done one, they've got a B, it's just got 1 flat there. So what key has 1 flat? F major, and we can see them up here. F major has 1 flat. So what key has the key signature of 3 sharps? We know it from up here. 3 sharps is A major, so you can write A major. Which one has 2 flats? So let's have a look. 2 flats, B flat and E flat, B major. So you're going to write a B major there. Okay, you can finish that off. So you refer back to up here. Okay, and then turning over. Question 3. Add the clefs and key signatures to form the scales named. So we need clef. We need a treble clef or a bass clef. So we need to look at the notes here. It's B flat, so we're going to start with a B and then C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So are these notes in the treble clef or the bass clef? B, C. Well, C is, middle C is at the bottom of the treble clef. D, E, F, facing the space, F, A, C. E, every green bus. So it's got to be a treble clef, okay? And then we need our key signature for B flat major. So you can turn over to just to remind ourselves, B flat major is a B flat and an E flat. And it should look like this, B flat, E flat. And you can look at this, look at these as well, okay? So B flat, we need evergreen bus, B flat and E flat. Okay? All right, so the next one, E flat major. Is it bass clef or treble clef? It's going to start on an E. So the first note is an E. Is that F, A, C, E? No. All cows eat. So E, we need, it's going to be bass clef. Remember, you've got this cheat sheet, so you can look to see where the notes are with that. So that's going to be a bass clef with 2 dots. Okay, I'll let you finish that off. Question 4, write down the key signatures of the following. So what sharps or flats are in A major? Well, try and do it from memory now, but if you need to look back, you can turn over and you'll see that A major has 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. So A major has F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Okay? And try and see if you can do them from memory. See if you can do them from memory. It's good if you can learn them and do them from memory. There you go. So then the next page, last page now, I think. Yeah. So question 9. Copy the tonic triads without key signatures. Okay, tonic triads. So what does that mean? A tonic triad is just the chord with 3 notes, with the first note, the bottom note, starting on the note named here. So copy the tonic triads without key signatures. So the key signature would go at the beginning of the piece. If you don't have a key signature, you use accidentals. Hopefully you'll remember that from last year. A major. So we're just going to copy this out. So you've got 3 notes, A, C, and E, and the C is sharp. A, C sharp, and E, and we'll copy A major like that. Okay, 1 point for each of those. B major, copy that. E flat major, copy that. Okay, complete the tonic triads without key signatures. Okay, and this was without key signatures up there. So without key signatures means you're going to have to use accidentals on the actual notes. The given note is either the 1st, 3rd, or 5th of the major scale. Okay, so the first one, if I just show you up here, we've got the 1st, 3rd, and 5th in this chord. 1st, 3rd, 5th. 1, 3, 5. So if we've got the 3rd is the middle note. So we're going to have a note on the space below, and then we'll have a note on the space above. Okay, D, F sharp, and A. And then this is the 5th. The 5th is the top note in the chord. So we're going to have 1 below it. That's the 3rd. And we're going to have 1 below that in the spaces. So that's the 1st, 3rd, and 5th. Okay. This is a C chord. And then we've got an E flat as the 1st. So this is going to be an E flat major chord. So it's going to be the same as this one. E flat, and then we've got a 3rd and then a 5th, and the 5th, that's E flat, G, and B flat, so we need our flat symbol there. And then we've got our 5th, that's going to be the top note then, so coming down and then down the 1st, 3rd, 5th, and that's an all cows, sorry, it's treble clef, face in the space, F, A, that's an A, so we need, for our A major chord, we need A, C sharp, E. Okay? Tricky. See if you can do these ones, all right? These are bass clef, so you've got to remember your bass clef. Number 11, name the tonic triads indicated by the dots on the keyboard. So, you need to know your keys on the keyboard for this. What's this? So remember, on the keyboard, C is left of the 2 black notes. They're not actually black, are they? But we know they're normally black notes. So that's a C, C, E, and G then, isn't it? C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so C, E, G is a C major chord. And the next one, I don't know why it's on his bum there, but never mind. Okay. Looking back at this, C was left of the 2 black notes, C. A, B, C, D, E, that's 1 lower, that's a flat, E flat. Okay, so that's our E flat chord. E flat, G, and B flat. So that's our E flat major. Okay, I'll let you finish those other 2. Wow, that was tricky. See how well you do with that. That's the end of MTT3.